Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ 100 price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and starting a quick overview for NASDAQ on the weekly here. We are looking at double 1-2 here, your 1-2 in the yellow, finished a wave 3 in 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, and then looking for a wave 4 also finished. And then we are in a wave 5, possibly we want to reach of course the 1.618, which is taken from your wave 1 in the blue count, which is a perfect target for a wave 3. In this case, your wave 5 has to be, of course, a 5 impulsive waves toward the upside. Now, currently, we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably, we're looking to finish this wave 5, but probably as well, this can finish a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, even for higher prices, of course, to reach the 3 fib level of the wave 3 at 1.618. Now, if we take, of course, a closer look at the daily here, on the daily, we are looking exactly inside this area where we want to see, of course, what's going on after this fifth wave, if it's finished or not. Now, we have here a 1, 2, probably 3, 4, and a 5, probably finished, and we're looking to a correction. Is it a deep correction, wave 4, or is it a continuation, of course, towards the upside after having this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5? You're still looking for one more leg for your wave 5. Is it possible that, of course, this is 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5? Very, very possible, of course, and very possible that we are in a corrective wave here. If we take a closer look here on the 4-hour chart, we can see exactly that this might be, of course, a 1, 2 here as well. Where we see 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, probably, the wave 5 didn't took the high exactly, but still possible. Maybe, of course, a 1, 2 is a possibility, 3, 4, and a 5. So as you can see, we see also a lot of overlapping here. It looks like kind of like triangle, I would say, because if you take here, of course, this and this one, we see, of course, kind of like triangle consolidation for the price after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. What could that mean? So yeah, let's read this. And of course, if we are impulsive toward the downside in a leading diagonal, you are looking for a wave 2 here. Is it possible that we have a 1, a 2 here? It can be an impulse toward the downside here, finished A, B, and a C. So if we move a little bit even inside it, let's see how this thing has ended. Is it impulsive? Yeah, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, very, very, yeah, impulsive. Of course, it can be. So we can say this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be very corrective, 3 ways down. Yeah, as WXY probably, or 3 ways down. Very simple ABC. And then, yeah, for a wave A, B, and a C, finishing a wave 2. So very, very possible, it can be, guys, that we have probably another finished 1, 2 here. And that meaning, of course, we might move to the downside, and especially that we are consolidating inside this area. So, yeah, probably, of course, this a weakness for the NASDAQ a little bit to see this consolidation, but if we are bullish, we want to break definitely this trend line taken from the top here. If we break it towards the upside, I would say, of course, we have to read it in different way as a 1, 2, and then 1, 2 again, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So the same reading, like it can be reading very, very bearish, of course, and it can be reading as well very bullish. That's why we call it a triangle consolidation. However, the highest possibility is still bearish because only of the structure here as 5 waves leading diagonal, meaning at least it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So very possible, of course. Anyway, if this is a structure A and whatever we finish here is a B, is also wave C towards the downside. Therefore, higher possibility, of course, is to move towards the downside again. How much deep? It is, of course, possible first to reach the 1.618, and even in case this has transformed to kind of like an ABC triangle. So if you take here ABC, yeah, probably the 20,421 at the 1-to-1 fib level probably is a first target. So I'm gonna put our first blue box here. probably that we can hit this one here, and even next target can be, of course, a wave 3, 4, and a 5, and of course can be as a second target, of course, is the 90,400. Yeah, so 1,000 difference in between each one. Yeah, so these are the insights for NASDAQ. Basically, um, if we break this directly, you have to look for the 22,000, let's say 23,000. So this is also a blue box, but higher possibility a little bit for the red, based on the history here. Now, if we have an A, a B, and a C, three ways up, three ways down, three ways up, meaning, of course, you want to see one more wave toward the downside, or it is, of course, leading diagonal 1, 2, and then you're looking 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, probably for wave 3, then 4, 5 towards the downside. Other scenarios is ABC finish correction and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is your bullish scenario. This trend will give you a decision. However, higher possibility still for lower. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.